$13,418. That is how much I've made on YouTube ad revenue this year, 2023, on six-figure revenue channel. It used to be called Extra Medium. We just made sure it was in the same direction that we were going with the channel. So as you can see right here, $13,418 made and 43 cents. Average per day, anywhere from $40 all the way to one of the highest days, $190. So we got monetized in March, and that took like a year and a half to get monetized with enough views and watch time and subscribers. But once we applied for monetization, we got it within like a week. We started making money here in March, and as you can see, it's like $6, $7, $9, $12, nothing too crazy. And then coming in May, goes higher and higher, and then getting closer to the end of the year, we're starting to make $50 to $100 per day. Throughout this year, we uploaded about 67 videos, and if I scroll down here, you can see starting in July, this is pretty much when we started making decent money, $1,300. August was $2,600. September, $1,600. October, $2,697, which is actually our best month this year. November, $2,600, and then so far in December, about $1,000. It is December 14th, so I'm making this video right now. It's gonna take some time to edit, and I wanted to make sure to get it out before the end of the year. And then if you look over here, with the $13,000 made this year, the RPM on that is $5.52. So the easiest way to explain this is if I got a video that got 1 million views, I would make $5,520 from that single video. So per 1,000 views, it's $5.52. With the RPM, we've averaged around there for the whole year. The lowest was like $2.50. The highest was, we've had some random videos in the 20s and 30s, which is wild. But on average, yeah, it's been like 4 to 6 all year from month to month. And if you scroll down here, this is our top earning content. So the best video this year was how to start 2K a week hot dog food trailer or food truck. That made us around $1,657 from that single video. And then the next best one was a hot dog food stand in Grand Rapids. That one made around $1,100. Then we got the pressure washer, also made us around $1,100. So one of our first videos was with Tim, how to start a 3,000 a week painting business, made $845 for this whole year. The last one in our top 5 earning for this year was the pizza food truck, amazing pizza, and that made us like $770. All right, so I have the list of all of our top videos for this year. As you can see, the hot dog food trailer, the RPM was $2.73, and it also had 614,000 views, which made it $1,600 about. So yeah, this video was definitely on the lower end of the RPMs. I believe the reason for that is when you're talking about just food and stuff like that, it's so universal, so they'll send it to countries outside of like US, Canada, UK, like they'll send it to all the continents. They don't have as many advertisers there, so you're gonna get a lower RPM. But something like the pressure washer business right here, it has $6.17 RPM, which is higher. Like the pressure washing businesses probably get more searches in like the United States and places similar to the United States. There's also like barbecue food truck, which got $6.08. Sometimes it can just be random. The barbecue food truck video was a little bit longer. That can play into RPMs as well. The longer your video, the more likely you're gonna get a higher RPM. So just a bit ago when I was talking about the painting business video, that was in our top 5 this year for earnings. The reason for that is it didn't get that many views, only 56,000 views, but it had almost a $15 RPM, which is double, triple all the other ones. And that's just gonna end up making you more money over time. There's another one down here. This one did really well, the window cleaning business, $20 RPM. With only 15,000 views that made $317. It's wild. When you have high RPMs, they can really make you more money than you would expect to make. And then, let me find it here. Here it is. This is our highest RPM, $30. If this video ended up hitting 1 million views, it would make $30,000, which is wild. The video probably won't hit 1 million views, but it could. Anything can happen. But yeah, this video was just like, it was just with my dad, and he owned a delivery business like 10 years ago. So we just like talked about his business. It was a very simple video. I'd love to interview someone that's currently doing like a medical delivery business. I think that video could do really well. Also, it gets a really good RPM, so it could make me some more money. There's just so many videos that we did this year that they're just amazing. Every video is super unique, and we're super thankful for everyone that said yes to do an interview, and thank you for taking the time out of your day to do the interviews. They were so good. For 2024, I hope we can continue to keep doing these interviews. We're going to try and pick and choose wisely on what interviews we take and which ones we don't. I was kind of on a food truck kick last year because they're just like fun. You get to eat, you get to hang out. I really love the vibes of food trucks. The RPMs on them are very low, just averaging like 2 or 3. I mean, that's not why I make the videos fully, but when you do tons of those, it's just on average you're gonna make less money. And there's more businesses out there that should be showcased, and I think can do better overall. But I'll still continue to do food trucks. I was just on a big food truck kick because they were working for a while, and they're getting me more views and more subscribers. I want to make sure that we continue to diversify and continue to showcase all different types of businesses, because I think that's the best way to learn, is looking at businesses that you wouldn't even do, but you can learn just random little things from them. One thing can change your whole business or your whole perspective on the future of your business or entrepreneurship journey. So overall, 2023, great year. 2.4 million views, 183,000 watch hours, 13,000 subscribers gained, and $13,418 made. Most of that was made from May until now. I think through the rest of the year we might gain another $1,000, so the total might end up being around $14,400 made. Just depends on how the rest of the year goes. Yeah, our best video, top 2 videos were the hot dog trailers, food trucks. Lots of food trucks in here. We had hot dog food truck, hot dog cart, pressure washing business, pizza food truck, barbecue food truck, firewood side hustle business, another pizza food truck, another food cart, the trash can cleaning business, and the fireworks stand business. All super fun, super unique. I really enjoyed all of them. Thank you so much to all the businesses out there. Thank you for taking your time to let us do the interviews, and thank you to all the viewers. I hope you guys learned a lot this year. I learned so much. And in 2024, we hope to bring more videos, more learning, more experiences, everything. Thank you so much again. Have a great new year. Peace.